This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone 13 is updated and has enough battery. That prevents interruptions. Once ready, open the camera app and swipe directly to cinematic mode so the interface loads the depth controls. Make sure you frame your subject with adequate light and reasonable distance. Too close or too dark reduces the effect. You want clear foreground and background separation. This helps the camera predict depth. Tap to lock exposure if needed. Then prepare to press record. You now control focus and depth. Tap your subject to set focus and slide to adjust exposure if the image is too bright or too dark. Next, change the simulated aperture using the f-stop control to increase or decrease background blur. Lower F means stronger subject separation. Make sure you check resolution and HDR settings if you need higher quality for post-work. Once done, practice a slow push or pan so the cinematic system can track moving subjects smoothly before you hit the record button. You press record and keep your movement steady. Smooth pans and predictable subject motion let the depth algorithm keep up. If someone moves, the system offers smart focus transitions. Make gentle camera moves to help it. Once recorded, open Edit to tap new focus points, adjust the depth slider, and fine-tune color. When satisfied, export from photos using the share sheet to save or upload. If depth metadata is missing, restart the camera app or toggle cinematic off and on to force a fresh capture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.